at that.
Sophie, can you tell me what you're doing?
A ball.
A ball. Is it a beach ball?
No.
Is it a soccer ball?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's another ball.
Another ball? How many balls are there then?
1, 2.
1, 2. How old is Sophie?
Almost 2.
Almost 2. Pretty soon you're going to have to say, I'm 2.
On Saturday you get to say, I'm 2.
What else do you have pictures of there? What's this right there? What's that?
Umbrella.
Umbrella. Where's the shirt? Right there. What color's the shirt?
I know.
And where's the shoes? Do you have shoes? All done?
Maybe
Sophie,
we'll
what's this a picture of right here?
Positano.
Positano. Are you going to sing it?
Positano.
Where is Positano?
Right there.
But do you remember what country it's in?
Yeah.
Is it in Italy? Is it in Italy? Can you say Italy? No.
It's too hard.
It's too hard. Not for you. What else is there in the picture that's near Capri? It's near Positano, isn't it?
This Positano.
Oh, that's Positano too. You're making Auntie Catherine very happy, Sophie. What else is in the book? Let's see. What's that?
Positano.
Positano. In the pictures?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sophie, Mama's going to go vote. I will see you in a little
Sophie,
while.
where's that?
Coffee.
Oh my God.
I'm going to vote for somebody who I hope will help you remember that the first president you knew was a woman president.